Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome. Welcome to your family here. The Shahada is it's a very simple declaration of faith, but it enters you into a beautiful community, and your brothers and sisters here are honored to be able to share this moment with you. So thank you for sharing. If would you like to share any thoughts or anything that you'd like to share? And no pressure. You don't have to if you don't like to. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. So what we'll do is we'll have you repeat the declaration of faith, the Shahada. All right. We'll say it 3 times, and so just repeat after me, inshallah. All right. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Anna.
Anna.
La.
La.
Ilaha.
Ilaha.
Illallah.
Illallah.
Wa ashhadu.
Wa ashhadu.
Anna.
Anna.
Muhammadan.
Muhammadan.
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Ashhadu. We'll do it 2 more times. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Anna.
Anna.
La.
La.
Ilaha.
Ilaha.
Illallah.
Illallah.
Wa ashhadu.
Wa ashhadu.
Anna.
Anna.
Muhammadan.
Muhammadan.
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Ashhadu.
Ashhadu.
Anna.
Anna.
La.
La.
Ilaha.
Ilaha.
Illallah.
Illallah.
Wa ashhadu.
Wa ashhadu.
Anna.
Anna.
Muhammadan.
Muhammadan.
Rasulullah.
Rasulullah.
Allahu Akbar. Congratulations. Welcome to your family. Your brothers and sisters are all here for you. If there's anything you need, we're here to support you. But thank you. It's an honor to be able to share this moment with you. So thank you for sharing it with our community. All right. And I'm sure our sisters there'll be a line of sisters ready to give you hugs here. So we'll.
You did great, Sister Brittany. May Allah bless you. Any sin that you've had before has been wiped clean, and it's like the day you've been born. Any good deeds that you have, and just by your beautiful presence, we can tell you have a lot. You keep those, inshallah. So your du'as are very special at this moment, because all of us are weighed down by the sins that we've committed, but at this moment you have none. So it's a very special moment, and that's why we're all going to ask you to pray for us, pray for the people around the world, pray for the people of Palestine. We all need your prayers at this moment. Thank you, Sister Brittany. Assalamu alaikum. Here you go.
Oh.